Fuel your strides, the ultimate diet for smooth and flexible knee joints in older adults. Do your knees sound like a rusty hinge when you stand up? As we age, the cartilage that cushions our knee joints naturally wears down, leading to stiffness, clicking, and discomfort. But before you resign yourself to a life of creaky joints, take a closer look at your plate. Food is powerful medicine, and the right diet can act as a natural lubricant, keeping your cartilage smooth, flexible, and resilient. Here is what older adults should be eating to bulletproof their knee joints. 1. The power of omega-3s. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are joint-saving superheroes. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, these fish actively fight inflammation throughout the body. They help calm irritated knee joints and suppress the production of enzymes that break down precious cartilage. Aim to enjoy fatty fish at least twice a week. 2. Vitamin C for cartilage production. Cartilage is primarily made of collagen, and your body desperately needs vitamin C to synthesize it. Load your diet with bright, colorful fruits like oranges, strawberries, and kiwis, alongside red bell peppers. These antioxidant powerhouses not only help build new cartilage, but also protect your existing joint tissue from everyday oxidative stress. 3. The cruciferous crunch. Broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage contain a remarkable compound called sulforaphane. Research suggests that sulforaphane helps slow the progression of osteoarthritis by blocking the specific enzymes that cause joint destruction. Adding a daily serving of these green giants acts as a protective shield for your aging knees. 4. Healthy fats for lubrication. Healthy fats are essential for keeping your joints gliding smoothly. Extra virgin olive oil contains oleothantol, a compound with strikingly similar properties to over-the-counter anti-inflammatory drugs. Snack on walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds to naturally boost your joint lubrication and reduce painful friction. 5. Hydration is key. It's incredibly simple but often forgotten. Cartilage is made up of about 80% water. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day ensures your joint tissue stays plump, hydrated, and properly cushioned. You cannot stop time, but you can certainly feed your joints the exact nutrients they need to age gracefully. By adopting this anti-inflammatory, nutrient-dense approach, you can protect your cartilage and maintain a comfortable, active lifestyle.